Hello Cancers, welcome to my channel, Raven's Call Tarot. I'm Alberto Acosta, intuitive reader. Today we're doing a weekly reading, January 18th to the 24th. I use 3 decks in my reading, as you might right away. So then my go-to deck, I follow with Diva Moon. At the end of the reading, keep advice card from Dorian Virtues, Archangel Power Tarot cards. So, how we doing, Cancers? Hope everybody's fine. Hope you're all doing well. And if there's any new Cancers to my channel, welcome. I do appreciate you being here. Just do me one favor, okay guys? Just watch the whole video, and then go live your life. Sometime next weekend, sit down and think about did anything resonate. Best way to judge these videos, okay? These are general readings. They're not going to resonate with everybody. For those of you who does resonate, great. Take what does, leave what doesn't. Everybody else, check your moon sign, your sun sign. There's got to be something there for you, okay guys? Alrighty, Cancers. What do we need to know for this week, Cancers? What do we need to know? Here we go. Okay, this week money's good for you guys. Great. But there's some problem with the family structure. Okay, just work it out, guys. The full family structure with mom, dad, and the kids. Find a happy medium for everybody. And looks like you've been wanting to go someplace, but it really just hasn't developed. Well, don't quit, okay? And some of the Cancers out there are not happy with what they achieved this last year. With how everything came out, with everything they have. Cool. Don't worry about that. Because this might be your year to get everything. You just got to make a plan. You got to figure out what is it you want to have. What do you want? Then figure out how you're going to get it. Okay? Cancers can be pretty amazing people, but when you start letting doubt get into your head, you make your own roadblocks. Don't do that. Okay? Yes, you can be the magician in your own life. If you don't do it, who else is going to do it for you? So, keep telling yourself you can do whatever you want. And watch it happen. Okay? For the most part, all Cancers are good. Their hearts are good this week. Nobody's breaking up, stuff like that, so great. And you guys don't want to spend no more time thinking about what to do next. Well, then figure it out, make up your plan, and go. Okay? There's plenty of people to help you. So, find the people that you need, and they will help you. Whatever you need. And right now, you guys can use some help, right? So, go with that, Cancers. Alright, let's see, what else? Like I said, money's good this week. Great. You're still not where you want to be in life. Who is? After this year, who is? Okay? So don't doubt yourself too much, okay? It was just, you got through it. Now where do you go from here? Okay? And you really got to sit down and think of a plan of exactly what it is you want. How you're going to achieve it. Do not worry that you don't have everything physically to achieve these dreams. Work with what you do have. Okay? Be your own MacGyver. And don't doubt yourself. You can achieve a lot with the least amount of resources. You just got to trust yourself. There is a door opening soon, and it looks like you are ready to run through it. So, keep your eye on the big prize. And as soon as you get some opportunity this year, just go after it. Go after it, okay? The single Cancer families out there are doing good. You guys have, yeah, you're doing great. Your families are good. And the families can be great too, but they just got a little work to do. Okay, got a little compromising to do. They got a little forgiving to do. You guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, before you know it, you will be charging down the street with a new ambition, new plans, and nothing getting in your way. You're finally out of your head. You're not doubting yourself, which is great. Which is great. That is what you need. So it's almost like you got to hit your own restart and start everything anew. So that's all you need to do, Cancers. Whatever happened last year, let it go. You did your best. You are here. Your money is good, so you did good. Let that go. New plans, new goals for this year, and the stars are behind you. You got everything you need right in front of you. You just haven't realized it yet. As soon as you do, you're on your way. You're on your way to bigger and better things. So this one's going to be called Restart. Alrighty, guys. Cancer, your advice card for the week is King of Gabriel. Keep your eyes on the big picture. Leave details to others. Experiences that lead to success. Genuine concerns for others. There you go. There you go, Cancers. This is actually a great reading because some of you guys had to hear this specific one. To me, it seemed kind of boring in the beginning, but there's some guys just going through some stuff really you shouldn't be needing to go through. But hope you guys find my channel and listen. Cancers, thank you for visiting my channel, Raven's Call Tarot. I'm Alberto Acosta, Intuitive Reader. For all the new Cancers to my channel, thank you for stopping by, guys, okay? Now go and live your life. Sometime next week, Cancer, sit down, think about did anything resonate, and go from there. While the Cancers coming back, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Because of you, my channel does grow little by little every week. And anybody needing a private reading, I am available. Okay, I'm holding on to my low prices so everybody can afford one. And just hit the more info button below. Email me. We'll get going on those readings. Okay, I do phone readings. I have to hear your voice. And we'll get started on those right away, guys. Alright, guys. We'll talk some more next week. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.